Guys, it's a little bonus this week. I've got a sort of a tech tip slash tool review I'm going to do. This right here is an OTC dent puller, which I'm sure a lot of people have used for that reason. But what a lot of people may not know is this is also the ultimate seal puller. So if you're having trouble removing a seal, it's hard because sometimes you get in there and you have to try to get at it with a pick and pull it out and this, that, and the other. But this thing is the way to go. All you have to do is take the screw end right here, align it with the open flat part of the seal, use the attached slide hammer to tap it a couple times to get it started, screw it in about 2 threads, and then you can just tap it straight out. Pulls out without a problem. This is without a doubt the easiest way to pull a seal. So I will link to a place you can get this with the part number in the description, so keep a lookout for that. But this is definitely a great tool to have. I recommend it for pretty much anyone that does this kind of work or does any kind of pulling of seals. For this video, I just wanted to show you guys this, but drop me a like, leave a comment of what you think about this, if you've got one or if you're going to get one. And that's going to be it. I appreciate it, and I'll try to bring you some more stuff as soon as I can. Bye.